Okay, fellas, the second part of Vedic maths. Now we will be doing the actual meat and crux of the math in Vedic math. So we're multiplying two numbers. Okay, how do we do that normally? Well, 97 times 94, 7 times 4, 2 carry over, 28, 4 times 9, 36 plus 2, 38, then you leave a space, and then on and on and on and on. Yeah, so boring. It takes so much time, especially when you're a kid. You're like, this is just taking too much time. Vedic math gives you another method of doing multiplication of two numbers. But before, let's introduce certain things about Vedic math. There's something called a base. The base in Vedic math is just a fancy way of saying orders of 10. So 10, 100, these are all bases. Bases are in the order of 10. So 10, 100, 1,000, just add a 0. So next will be obviously 10,000 and so on. That's called a base. Now look at the two numbers you're multiplying. What is the base they are closest to will be the base. So 97 is closest to 10 or 100 or 1,000. 100, right? So the base is 100. 94 similarly has the base as 100. Now, Vedic math gives you a way to multiply two numbers when they are lower than their base. If both the numbers are lower than their base, the base is 100 for both. Both are smaller than the base. This is how you multiply them. 97 times 94, draw a line, write the difference from the base, right? Step 1, write the difference from the base. 97 is how much shorter than its base, how much smaller than its base. Negative 0, 3. Don't forget, everything in 2-digit, right? If we're solving for 2-digit, write it as a 2-digit number, right? So now, similarly, we have 94. How much is 94 shorter than its base? 506, right here. Okay, now that we've listed this, here comes the Vedic trick. This is the trick you have to learn. If you have numbers lower than their base, you go lower from the top number. That's what you remember. Lower than the base, go lower from the top. 97 minus 06 will be 91, right? 97 minus 6 is 91. And then you go down. 3 times 6, or negative 3 times negative 6, to be precise, is 18. So the answer of 97 times 94 is, that's how you get it. Now, it might seem like a lot going on at first, but if you just put that in your head, the next time is going to be way easier, right? The base, difference, just right over here. Go lower, subtract 91, just 63. 6 times 3 is 18, so answer is 9118.